Richard from Alta Loma, Texas, has a drain drip.
Many of them. It's his AC drain line, he says. Richard writes, the line goes into piping behind the sink and ultimately into the septic system, which is free and clear. There appears to be a leak or a condensate dripping off this vertical PVC pipe in the wall. Right there. All right? So it's about a half gallon a day, he says, being captured through towels and buckets right now, which is, at least he's capturing it, right? I can feel moisture off the connection in the attic, but only dampness, and the seal appears to be secure and caulked properly, all right? So I cut a hole behind the sink, and I can see condensate dripping when the compressor kicks in. So, Tom, what do you suggest for Richard?
The pipe needs to be insulated. We're back to that
Koozie thing?
Koozie, however you want to put it, where you put, foam on.
We talked about this earlier.
Okay, whatever.
That Koozie is a brand name, so it really is a foam drink insulator.
And so is pipe insulation.
There it is.
But it's not a foam. It is a foam. It's just not a drink. But it is. That's
Could
really
be a really
cold.
tall drink.
It's really cold water.
Yeah.
Making the pipe really cold, which means it's sweating. Not unlike your Coke can, beer can, whatever you're doing outside when you're getting a nice drink of something, it's going to sweat on the outside, even if it's a cold bottle of water. It just needs to be insulated, and that's the problem. Just get it insulated. It should have been to begin with, but this is the result of not being insulated.
And I've heard you talk about this before. When you insulate this, you want the insulation snug up against that pipe.
Always super tight, nice. You buy insulation to fit the exact pipe, and you want to make sure it's nice and snug, and you want to make sure you tape it or zip tie it, however you want to do it, a little bit of both maybe, but you don't want any airspace in between. Don't let anybody tell you, oh, that airspace is a better insulator. It's not. It's going to let it sweat. It's just like squeezing that thing up on that beer can or that Coke can. You want it nice and tight.
Or your frosty beverage, whatever your choice may be.
Whatever. I don't care.
It might be lemonade. You're thinking carbonated beverages. I'm thinking lemonade. It could be iced tea.
Could be carbonated lemonade.
All right.
We didn't like that.
Speaking of, we were back east for a trip.
Yes.
We had the worst beverage I've ever drank called an Arnold Palmer, where they mix iced tea and lemonade. It's just a gruesome beverage.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
There are probably people out there who like it, and maybe it tastes better with some. I figured it would taste a little better, put a little Maker's Mark in there, but it was early in the day, and they said no. So, You got a question, go ahead and send it our way. We'll help you out. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.